Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today, I'm taking you on a wild ride, deep into the heart of the jungle, where the air's thick with mystery, and every shadow could be hiding something spectacular. But I'm not just talking about any jungle creatures. I'm talking about the rare birds and wild animals most people never get to see. So, lace up your boots, let's go explore. Now picture this. Sunlight barely piercing through a tangled green ceiling, and somewhere up high, you catch a flash of electric blue. That's the elusive blue-crowned trogon. These guys are jungle royalty with feathers that shimmer like sapphires and a call that echoes like laughter through the trees. They're masters of hide and seek, only coming out when the jungle is quiet, so spotting one is like winning the wildlife lottery. But don't blink, because just as you're marveling at the trogon, a rustle in the undergrowth means something else is watching us. Meet the clouded leopard, a shadow among shadows. This spotted phantom moves so silently, even the monkeys barely notice until it's too late. Their tails help them balance as they leap between branches, and those giant paws? Perfect for gripping slippery vines or pouncing on unsuspecting prey. Of course, no jungle adventure is complete without some drama in the treetops. High above, the harpy eagle rules the skies. With talons as big as bear claws and a stare that could freeze you in your tracks, this bird is the ultimate predator. I've watched them swoop in, snatch up a monkey, and vanish without a trace. Pure power and grace in flight. But the real magic is in the quiet moments between the action. Like when a tiny glass frog sits perfectly still on a leaf, its skin so clear you can see its heartbeat. Or when a group of golden lion tamarins swing past, chattering like old friends, their fur blazing orange against the green. What blows my mind every time is how these animals are perfectly tuned to their world. Every feather, every claw, every call, they're all part of a wild symphonic puzzle that's been evolving for millions of years. And even though I'm just a visitor, I get a front row seat to the greatest show on earth. So next time you think the jungle is just trees and mud, remember, every corner hides a secret. And if you're lucky enough to catch a glimpse of these rare wonders, you'll never look at the wild the same way again. Thanks for exploring with me. Until our next adventure, stay curious.